Hello peeps, I am Tidbit, and this showcase is of Optimus Prime from the animated universe, specifically from the Legacy line. As we can see here, if we just take off the axe, put it there, it's a very nice and angular truck. It's got all these fun little wheels, and not much robot. They really were able to get the style down and hide a robot in here. So, let's transform it. First, what you're going to want to do is disconnect these tabs from these slots, and then spin it around. Next, take the blue and pull it away from this little notch and peg. Then, it's easier to see on this side, there's a peg here that you want to separate these from. Next, there's a hole, there's a peg, put those together. Then, you're going to want to take this piece and disconnect it from these two pegs on these two holes. And then generally straighten it out so it's just not in the way. Then, you're going to do a lot of rotating. There's three parts here. There's this piece, the middle piece, and the other side. You're just going to collapse it all around and put this hole on the peg right there. Then you're just going to take this, bring it down, bring this one up, and just smush it down. Now, do the same on the other side, fast vision, and boom, we have some legs. All right. Next, what you are going to want to do is just get under here and open up the canopy. Oh! You were hiding in there? Okay. Regardless, open it up, move it to about here, then take this front part, disconnect it from these slots. Then, this is where it gets kind of complicated. You're going to want to click out this tab, then you're going to bring up this whole wheel assembly. And then you're going to rotate the chest like that. And now you got to tab everything in. You're going to take this, get under the light, this peg, you're going to plug it into there, like that. Then you're going to take this chest plate, just squish it in, like that, and then take this part, take this hole, put it on this peg on both sides. All right, it is secure. Next, take these, rotate this all the way out, open up this blue panel so you can flick out the fist, close it back up, and do the same on the other side. And finally, spin the head around. You can have it forward, but I always like to do the head last. And here we have Optimus Prime from animated. And it looks so good, and there's so many joints, and it really works. And they have their axe that they can wield. It's a really big and chonky axe. And you can make it bigger. So that way, Optimus can dual wield. Look at that. It's so good. But we're not done just yet. We have a fan mode to get to. So, let's get on with that. And just as a small note, there is another piece that you can take off. You can take off the siren, and it has a standard size peg, so you could even just like slap it there if you wanted to. But let's get on with the fan mode. And it's gonna look a lot like the normal mode, because you'll just putting everything kind of back where it was. Putting the fists away, crunching up the arms till they click in, because they got this little tab that goes up here. spinning them around. Opening the back panel so you can rotate the chest up. But instead of moving the wheels back down, you are going to keep them out and fold the arms in place. Like this. And to help you keep them in line, connect them to the chest, bring the back up, and just make sure everything is in place. And boom, we have these wheels out here. Next, what we're going to do is take this and click the black into the back of it. Take the legs, separate them, like so. But we're going to connect them here. And then we're going to spin the waist around, rotate the knees, and then rotate the thigh area up. And then just put everything in place till all of it sits like so. And boom, we have a flyer. It's got like several turbines here. It's got these little spots that you can put stuff on top of, like a gun or something. But I like to have them out here because then it just kind of makes the shape work. Why isn't it tabbing in properly here? I'll deal with that later. But yeah, this is the flyer. And as you saw in the thumbnail, you can just like open up the chest and put like a headmaster inside. So thank you for watching. Like the video, comment your thoughts, share this around. Check out the playlist for previous showcases, and subscribe to be notified when new ones come out. Bye-bye!